A lot of brands are now launching smartphones with 12 GB and 16 GB of RAM this year. Yes, 16 GB of RAM in a phone. Do we really need it? Let's find out. Firstly, let us know what is RAM and what does it do. As we all know, RAM means random access memory. What does it do? It temporarily stores the data of the apps that run in the background. Along with the processor, RAM2 plays an important role in running apps fastly and smoothly sliding from one app to other. We have 2 GB, 3 GB, 4 GB, 6 GB, 8 GB and 12 GB RAM options with us. Since the system UI is now getting heavier on every single update, even 3 GB RAM is not enough now. 4 GB, 64 GB should be your basic combination whatever kind of user you are. Go for 6 GB RAM if you do a lot of multitasking stuff where you need to slide over the app simultaneously. 8 GB RAM will be sufficient for a heavy gamer and a video editor. And 12 GB RAM will be more than enough for almost all the users. You will be able to run multiple heavy apps together without a single frame drop. And just forget about 16 GB of RAM at least for a year. It's just too much for every sort of user currently. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.